Ukrainian drones have become a usual sight all over Russia. But special military operation is going according to plan in its third year. Russians are freaking out as their Telegram channels published a video of a drone over Kaspiysk city in Dagestan. It is located about 1,000 kilometers from Ukraine. And Russian propagandists are slowly but steady coming to its senses. One of their best, which means worst, now writes, "If there will be no positive changes in the army, there will be no victory. We will be broken up by this NATO fag gang led by Anglo-Saxons, with the Russian flock of white ribbon singers who have not yet all been knocked out with a kick in the ass from the stage and from the television screen. Let's finally eat an elephant." Or, Baobab as an image of reform of the modern Russian army. So, I wanted to use Aesopian language to express my thoughts, but it turns out poorly. Let me write it in a simple way. If we don't now make our army really combat ready, without these patriot parks, youth army and tank biathlons, without ballet parades, but with modern communications, electronic warfare and air defense, with new guns and at least some new ground means of artillery reconnaissance, if not, then we, of course, are not fucked, but it will hurt. This problem, albeit piece by piece, can be solved. Andrei Romovich holds the cards. Some of his predecessors saw the army reform as an immense baobab tree. One seemed to sincerely want to solve the problem, but was drowned in some unnecessary projects, in the restoration of the Kronstadt forts and real unfinished projects in military garrisons. Another nearly killed the Russian armed forces by cutting units and selling property. Of course, we believe that reform can be done. If there will be no positive changes in the army, there will be no victory. We will be broken up by this NATO fag gang led by Anglo-Saxons, with the Russian flock of white ribbon singers who have not yet all been knocked out with a kick in the ass from the stage and from the television screen. We still have a lot to do in the name of Russia. The rear should not lag behind our men on the front line in determination and dedication. Alga, Slays, and everyone who is with us. Wow, Sladkov will fall from a window soon, we can see that. 2 Ukrainian Marines in the swampy area of the Dnipro under Russian artillery with a close call. Notice how the correct path is marked on branches.
Oh, kurwa!
A Ukrainian UAV Shark reconnaissance drone records a Russian Buk M2 air defense system. Ukrainian special operation units destroyed it with an American Switchblade kamikaze drone. A man accused of setting fire to a Russian military registration and enlistment office in St. Petersburg has died. Pretty gutsy to walk up and toss 2 Molotov cocktails at the Russian military recruitment office. Yesterday, in occupied Luhansk Oblast, a Russian Pantsir-S air defense complex was destroyed by HIMARS. The Pantsir-S is a relative modern Russian air defense system, introduced in 2012. The Pantsir missile system is a family of self-propelled, medium-range surface-to-air missile and anti-aircraft artillery systems. 3 types of vehicles make up one system: a missile launcher, a radar truck, and a command post. Starting with the Pantsir-S as the first version, it is produced by KBP Instrument Design Bureau of Tula, Russia, and is the successor to the Tunguska M1. But when an air defense system is destroyed by a missile from which is billed to protect, that's embarrassment on another level. Dystopia. Ukrainian woman managed to escape Russian occupation from the town of Oleshki across the ruins of Antonovsky Bridge in Kherson region. She waved her Ukrainian passport at the drone and was led to safety. Millions more Ukrainians remain under brutal occupation. I wanted to share with you several points from an interview that Garry Kasparov, chess grandmaster and political activist, gave Zahid. Net Media. NATO was created for one purpose: to protect free Europe from Russian aggression. China's position is quite clear. It needs the war to continue indefinitely because it weakens both Russia, as China has it in for it, and the West.
НАТО создавали с одной целью – защитить свободную Европу от российской агрессии. Сегодня Украина единственная страна, которая воюет за основную цель, ради которой НАТО создавал. Украина уже член НАТО. Она пролила столько крови за то, чтобы выполнить натовскую задачу. Китай занимает достаточно четкую позицию. Ему нужно, чтобы война продолжалась бесконечно. Потому что она ослабляет и Россию, на которой Китай тоже точит зубы, и Запад. Вот. И поэтому как и Китаю нужна ситуация, в которой Китай, Си Цзиньпинь, будет рулить процессом. И выбирать в хороший момент на нападение на Тайвань. Победа Украины, освобождение всей украинской территории и флаг Севастополя – это практически приговор путинскому режиму. Ну, я считаю, что шанс у России на трансформацию есть, конечно. Вот надо понять, что надо строить по-другому страну. И что выбор – это китайская провинция сырьевая или попытка вернуться в Европу уже на других условиях.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.